girl needs the jewel of life. Why should I give it to her, Pristina? Because she's my sister. What? She's a holy, kind-hearted girl. You may not. And she might die of a disease. And unless she gets the jewel of life, she's going to die. An unworthy and unpredictable death. She doesn't deserve this. She's too young. But you should have came before I lasered her. Oh, really? Monster or not, your powers cannot defeat that of an angel's. Let me guess. You're going to ask what happened. Pressy? What am I doing here? I thought Oh my God, what happened? The jewel! Oh. It is all right. I saved you. Your spirit died. My spirit, what? Spirit died. Spirit can die, but an angel can revive you. Without me, you would have been dead, as you would have been on Earth. But on Earth, you just went into cardiac arrest, and they saved you. Or so they thought. Remember, I will always be there. I will always love you. I love you too. Wow. I'm alive. But how to get back down to fudge nuggets? She fell through the cloud. Pristina to the rescue. What did I tell you about not standing on thin cloud? Oops. We're about to land in Africa. I was. Oh, how do I get back to Earth? Well, that's not my job. What the heck just happened? It's a box in heaven. Holy cow, what is wrong with the world? Oh well. What the hey? It's a jewel. It's a jewel. Hey maybe this can get me back to Earth. It is green. Take me to America. Home. Where's the jewel? What the hey? My clothes! Listen, I might not be able to explain the clothes, but I might be able to. So, my clothes, collar turned into a pearl necklace because of how beautiful you are and how kind and lovable and holy you are. The dress, I think, goes with it. What the cheese nuggets? Can I take them off? As you wish. But the collar stays. We'll never return to normal. You now realize how holy and kind and beautiful you are. So now, it will never go back. Will never go back? Okay, so what about the jewel? I've got it right here. Thank you. You know, I can't just keep on calling you guardian angel. No, I suppose you can't. Well, you can name me whatever you want to. You never named me. All right, Mist. Come with me on this journey of epicness. But have you noticed a slight change in any way? Huh? Look at your fur. What the? I'm blue. In heaven you look like a normal person, but you're a spirit. And on Earth, you look like a ghost. That's all that matters. Now let's go. Don't you want to know where I live? If I'm gonna find a bowl of water? Fine then, lead the way. I can fly? I can fly! Well, this looks like the place.